Hey you all, this is Miss Tony, and I am an educational gamer. So today we're going to be playing Adventure Man and the Counting Quest. So yes, this game is going to help you to learn how to skip count, or really help you to practice your skip counting skills. So let's get into it today.
I finally have the map! The treasure! This is good! As
Not so fast, Thief! I've got you this time, Mr. Thief!
Curses, Adventure Man! You won't beat me to the treasure this time! At least, not without this!
The map!
That treasure's all mine! Catch me if you can, Adventure Man! Yeah!
Right, let's catch them. So we're going to skip count by tens. Here we go. Start from the first level. First level, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. I think I can here. Yes, 50, 60. That's good. Let's see if I can make it again. Ooh, yes, I made it. 60, 70, 80, 90. What comes after 90? 100. We made it. We made it. We made it. Woo! Yes. Oh, we got part of the map. Oh, okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 levels to go. Oh boy. Hopefully we can make it to the very end. Level 2. 100. 110. Whoa. 120. Oh, we got to jump. All right, here we go. Jump. Yes. 130. 140. 150. 160. 170. Oh! Right over. I didn't click on the rock. Oops. 110. 120. 130. Come on, go. 140. 150. 160. 170. 180. Almost there. 190. What comes next? 200. Oh, that's a long jump. Here we go. Woo, she made it. Good job, Adventure Man. Woo! Made it. All righty. Here we come. Level 3. Level 3. Level 3. Here we go. Uh-oh. Ooh, they're moving. 210. Ooh. Let's see if we can make it from here. Yes. 230. 240. 250. Ooh, I barely made it. 260. 280. 290. 290. 300. All right. We're moving. Level 4. Here we come.
Hey boys and girls, if you liked the video, like and subscribe, and also look in the description box to access free worksheets that go along with the video. I thank you all, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!